Welcome to the land of the Esan people, a place where tradition meets modernity in a harmonious blend. Located in the heart of Edo State, Nigeria, the Esan region is a vibrant and culturally rich area that has a lot to offer. The Esan people are known for their rich cultural heritage, their warm hospitality, and their unique traditions that have been passed down through generations. From their vibrant festivals to their intricate crafts, the Esan community showcases a resilience and spirit that is truly inspiring. Join us as we explore the essence of the Esan people and their enduring legacy. The Esan people have a long and storied history dating back to the 14th century. Their rich cultural heritage is evident in the ancient artifacts and historical sites that dot the landscape. These sites tell the tales of their ancestors and the evolution of their society over centuries. They are known for their expertise in farming, which has been passed down through generations. The fertile lands of the Esan region have supported their agricultural practices, allowing them to cultivate a variety of crops and sustain their communities. Hunting and craftsmanship are also integral parts of Esan life. Traditional hunting techniques and tools have been preserved, showcasing their ingenuity and connection to the land. Their craftsmanship, from intricate carvings to woven textiles, reflects their artistic talents and cultural identity. The Esan people are also deeply spiritual, with a strong belief in the supernatural and ancestral worship. Their spiritual rituals and ceremonies are a testament to their reverence for their ancestors and the unseen forces that they believe guide their lives. These practices are central to their cultural identity and community cohesion. The Esan people, an ethnic group from southern Nigeria, are known for their vibrant cultural festivals, including the Iho Festival. This festival is a significant event that celebrates the harvest season, bringing the community together in joyous celebration. During the Iho Festival, the Esan people don their traditional attire, showcasing their rich cultural heritage and customs. They are also known for their traditional dances, such as the Akasa dance, which is a rhythmic and energetic performance that holds deep cultural significance. The Akasa dance is not just a form of entertainment, but a way to preserve and pass down traditions from one generation to the next. This dance is performed during important ceremonies, including weddings, funerals, and other significant community events. The Akasa dance, with its intricate movements and vibrant costumes, is a testament to the Esan people's rich cultural heritage and their commitment to preserving their traditions. Today, the Esan people continue to face challenges, including poverty, lack of infrastructure, and environmental degradation. However, they remain resilient and determined to preserve their cultural heritage and traditions. The Esan people are a proud and vibrant nation with a rich cultural heritage and a strong sense of identity. We hope you have enjoyed this journey into the world of the Esan people.